Your brain was built to focus, but in the modern world it's under attack. Notifications, stress, endless scrolling, all of it rewires your attention span. But here's the good news. Neuroscience shows you can retrain your brain to focus deeper, longer, and faster. Let's rebuild your focus. Focus isn't just about willpower. It's a brain state. When you concentrate, your prefrontal cortex takes control. But when distractions win, your brain switches into the default mode network, DMN. Instead of processing what's in front of you, it starts processing internal, self-generated thoughts. And that's where neuroscience-based tricks come in. So the trick number 1 is the 20-second reset. When your focus fades, close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. This slows down your brain's beta waves and reactivates the prefrontal cortex, the control center of attention. Just 20 seconds of mindful breathing can restore several minutes of concentration. Trick number 2, dopamine anchoring. Dopamine fuels your motivation and sharp focus. To use it smartly, set small checkpoints in your task and enjoy every mini win that gives your brain a reward signal. Instead of chasing a big goal for hours, split it into micro milestones. Each small win releases dopamine, keeping your focus loop alive. Trick number 3, the vision reset. Your eyes are directly connected to your brain's focus system. After 20 minutes of intense work, shift your gaze to a distant object for 10 seconds. This relaxes your visual cortex and restores mental clarity. That's why even pro gamers do eye resets between matches. So focus isn't something you're born with. It's something you build each time you train. Your brain rewires itself for longer attention and stronger control. Start using these neuroscience tricks today and test your focus in our Focus Challenge videos. Links in the description. Train your mind. Sharpen your vision. This is Neurift.